So, guys, many of us who runs Google Ad, most of the time they face some issues related to call when they run a call ad. We wanted to record the call and how the conversation with the caller goes for us or maybe for our client, whomever we are working. And we for that reason we need we have to buy a software, or we look for some software where all these calls get recorded. So the good news is that Google has come up with a very wonderful feature where you can record calls if you're running a call ad, and that is one of the best feature till now I have seen. So today I'm going to discuss about that feature, how to enable that feature in your ad account, and apart from that, enabling in the feature and how it works and for how long you can hear the call records. Apart from that, I'll also be discussing about one another video that once your account get suspended because of some suspicious reason, how you going to cancel your account and get a refund. That is very important. Very most of the people who runs ad account, or maybe they are new, they face this situation. That's why I'm using this advert account rather using another advert account. So I'll create two videos for you guys. One is how to enable a call recording feature, and another is how to cancel your suspended or suspicious account so that you can get the refunds. So before we go ahead and talk about this feature, if you haven't subscribed my channel and you are watching my video, I would request everyone to please subscribe my channel so that I get encouraged and create a lot of such videos which can help you and me both grow together. So it's free guys. Go ahead and please subscribe. Thank you so much. So now let's get into our Google ad account. So you can see this account is suspicious payment method. There wasn't any suspicious thing, but I don't know, during COVID Google is troubling everyone. The same with me. So I just created this new account. So once you get into your account, Google advert account, what you have to do is you have to go to the all campaign. Under all campaign you'll find settings. So just click setting. Under setting you'll find account setting. So you have to click account setting. Once you click account setting, then you'll find a report, call reporting. So you need to click this, and you have a get detailed information about calls that you receive. This is one. And now it comes save your call recording for 30 days. So you can save your call recording for 30 days. What you have to do is you can listen your call and call reports, and you can analyze the quality of the call through this call, how you're if you're into paper call industry, or maybe you are generating calls for your client, maybe for medical related clients, dental or other clients, you can use this method for them. And apart from that, this would also help you to choose a particular keyword, optimize. It will also help you to optimize and add so that you get a relevant call, and that call from leads to convert into sales. So for what you need to do is you have to go here, you have to click this on button. Once you click this on button, it will ask you to accept the terms and condition for call recording and messages. So you just need to go here and you have to accept it. Once you accept it, this call recording will show here. But before I go ahead and save it, I just want you guys to know that once you accept this terms and condition and you on this call recording, what exactly Google will play when a call get connected to the customer. So this is very important and interesting, unfortunately, and let's go and check. So exactly when a call get connected, so you will be having one enabled call records are available for 30 days after the date of call, and the following message will be played to callers on eligible format. So this would be the message will be played to the receiver. So what is the message? Google and its partners may record the call and retain the call for quality and research purpose. So this would be basically played to your customers. So mind you, it is very important for you, if you want your customer to listen to this and you feel that they won't after listening this they won't disconnect the phone. If you have that confidence, go ahead, enable it. If you don't have that confidence, you feel, your receiver, whoever calls, your caller, whoever calls, they once they receive this message, they feel some sort of suspicious, that because somebody is recording their call, probably they won't be very comfortable their call gets recorded. So because of that, they may disconnect the call. So you have to decide whether you're comfortable with it or not, whether you're confident with it. Will be US best number where the call goes. Then you should have a verified domain ownership when you run an ad. So these are the call recording requirement, which anyways I'm not going to discuss. Reason being, you can easily access this from help section, learn more, and you can do it by yourself. So this is all about call recording, and it's a very, very wonderful feature, guys. Just go ahead and save it. And how you feel about this, please share. Once you activated this, please share your experience in the comment section, so that every one of us will get to know how you are doing it, and how wonderful you are doing it, and what are the success ratio you have, and what are the problems you are facing. If you have any problem, I am there to help you. Just post any problem or any issue you are facing in the comment section, and I'm going to help you. So that's all for this video, guys. Next video would definitely be on canceling your suspended or suspicious ad account. So I'm just pausing it here, and I would thank you everyone for watching this video, and please जाने से पहले यार सब्सक्राइब करके जाना दोस्त, बहुत मेहनत करता वीडियो बनाने में, इतना तो बनता है भाई. Thank you so much for watching the video.